I'm Jan.
And I'm Tracy, and we are here in sunny Cozumel. What we're going to be doing today is going to an all-inclusive beach club DIY style at the Paradise Beach Club.
Let's go.
So we're on the Virgin Voyages Valiant Lady, and from here we're going to have to grab ourselves a cab. So we are at the Punta Langosta Pier, and it's a little bit further away from the Paradise Beach Club, but it should be about $20 to $25 getting yourself a taxi, and that's per ride. This is one of those crazy ports that you kind of have to go all the way through duty free. So it seems like you should be able to go right to the street, but no, you end up having to go up the escalators through all the duty free on both sides of the road and then down again to the taxi stand. Again, you have to go all the way through duty free, so prepare to have people trying to get you to buy things the whole way through until you get down to the taxi stand. I did learn one lesson on this one. So they always say pay attention to ship time, and why that is because sometimes you'll be on a cruise line where they will fall back when you go from like Miami to Cozumel because it's an hour time distance. But this time we actually were on one where we didn't fall back. So we're kind of off to a later start than we thought that we were going to be on. So we thought we were going to be off the ship at 9. It's actually 9:30 because somehow we did not follow the ship time. Thing about when you are taking an excursion out of Cozumel, there are several different cruise port terminals here. So make sure that you know which cruise terminal you are at, because there's the international port, there's Punta Langosta, and I think there's actually a third one as well.
I know what I did was wrong. Everybody makes mistakes.
So let's see how much it costs for the two of us to get to Paradise Beach Club. So we ended up sharing a cab with a couple of ladies from a different ship, and because we were a little bit further away, it was a $30 cab ride, so we split it between the two of us, $15 a piece. That seemed pretty reasonable. Took us about 15 minutes to get here, so make sure you plan for it. One of the things with the Paradise Beach Club is you do have to have reservations. So there's 4 big ships in port right now. So we made our reservations about a month ago, $68 a person, and so they gave me you had to pay on PayPal for the first $68, and then we paid the rest of it off on the credit card today.
All right, so one of the things we really do like about Paradise Beach is the really large pool they have here. Now, I think that we have like 4 or 5 different cruise ships here. We were very concerned about being crowded. It's not, actually. There's still a lot of places here. You do pretty much need a reservation, but it's just a really wonderful place to be able to get into the pool, relax by the sun. Unfortunately, that's the one thing they're not providing too much of us today is the sun, because we might have some rain. Fortunately, if it does rain, the good news is you have this area behind me, which is the undercover bar, as well as a place to be able to eat your food. All right, so one of the things that I really don't like about a lot of private beaches we've been to is the fact that they actually expect you to use the bathroom for a changing area. What I love here is they actually have dedicated changing areas. They have like 5 different rooms there. It has it's clean, first of all. There's not that grime and sand and everything else on the floor. It has a bench and it has places to hang. So it's really a nice, convenient way to be able to get changed for your day in the sun.
So we opted for a beach lounger with an umbrella out here by the beach. The other thing that there is here is for a little bit extra money, you can have access to the water platforms and the sports rafts and stuff like that. This is an all-inclusive. That means all of your food and all of your drinks are included. Your gratuities are not. You can pay those by cash or by card at the end, but that includes really good food and a wide variety of drinks. You have access to the pools and the changing areas, and then there is this beach here. Fortunately, we're here a little bit in the rainy season, so we'll see how much beach time we get today.
All right, so first of all, yes, the water feels great. Now, we're actually in front of the areas by the pier. The portion of the beach that's by the pier up until this yellow flag here, actually it's too rocky. They don't let you in that. Where you can go is back behind here. Now, as you see behind me, this is the fun pass area. For $16 a day, you can be able to go out here and have fun on all the different floating toys here. We used to do this with our kids and they loved it. Just verify with the lifeguard what he told me. Yes, they want you to enter the water on the right side of the yellow flag I just showed you. However, and the reason is because it's really rocky and coral, and it's just kind of dangerous for you, at least according to them. However, once you get past that, there is areas of the fun pass which you can have, which are left of the yellow flag. They just want you to enter and exit the water on the right side of the yellow flag.
So I had mentioned before that not only is the drinks included, but also the food is included. They have a pretty good variety of food here. They have appetizers like guacamole and shrimp ceviche and stuff like that. They also have burgers, hamburgers and cheeseburgers. They have tacos and they also have burritos.
All right, so we had a great time at Paradise Beach. Now, in order to see how this compares to Mr. Sancho's, go and watch this video. And as always, keep on traveling.